Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says an unbiased coin is tossed. If result is a head, a pair of unbiased dice is rolled. Then, number obtained by adding the numbers on the two faces is noted. Okay. So, suppose that we are getting head. So if we will get head, we will throw a pair of dice and the sum of top face will be added. So the minimum sum would become 2, 1 and 1. Okay, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, H7, H8, H9, H10, H11 and H12. Maximum is 12. If the result is tail, a card from a well shuffled pack of 11 cards, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is picked and the number on the card is noted. So if it is tail, then you will go with card 2 to 12. So it is also same no. So tail 3, tail 4, tail 5, tail 6, tail 7, tail 8, tail 9, tail 10, tail 11, tail 12. Okay. What is the probability that the noted number is either 7 or 8? Okay. So can I go with required probability? So required probability is what? Look at the case. Head and then 7 or 8. This is case 1. Then it is tail, then 7 or 8. Now suppose that you are throwing a coin. So throwing a coin getting a head is what? What is the probability? So it is 1 by 2. Is your task completed? No. So if after getting head you have to throw a pair of dice and you have to get either 7 or 8. Now if you will throw a pair of dice, the 7 will come up 6 times. How? So it is 1, 6, then 2, 5, then 3, 4, then 4, 3, then 5, 2, 6, 1. So 6 cases. Okay, 6. 8 will come 5 times. How? Look at this. So it is 8, so it is 6. I'll go with 2. So it is 2, 6, 3, 5, and then 4, 4, 5, 3, and then 6, 2. So it is 5 times. Okay, like if you want to, like without calculating you want to write, just memorize that minimum is 2, maximum is 12, then 3, then 11, then 4, then 10, then 5, then 9, then 6, then this. Okay, this is 7. Now always if you'll observe, the sum would become 14. Okay, so sum is 14 and you have to go with minimum number 7, 7, 14. So among them, what is minimum? You have to subtract it by 1. So 2 and 12 will come once, 3 and 11 will come twice, 4 and 10 will come thrice, 5 and 9 will come 4 times, 8, 6 will come 5 times, 7 and 7 will come 6 times, and altogether it is 36 plus. Okay, getting tail is what? 1 by 2. Getting 7 or 8, so 7, 8, so it is 2 out of 11 cases. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can simplify this thing. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.